Hey, in today's use it or lose it video, we're going to talk about caulking tools. These things are meant to help you put a better bead on in the corners, but do they really work and are they worth it? Let's find out right after this. All right, now what we're gonna do is do a little caulking in this angle. This is an angle that had a nasty crack in it and was bulging from the house settling. They've solved that, so we're caulking these, and I've already done this much the regular way, which is put it in there, wet your finger, smooth it out. Now I'm gonna show that on a separate video, but we're just gonna talk about, does this tool actually help you out? Now I will tell you that I've used these before. I've had jobs where they had me go through and caulk every angle in the house pretty much. And after you do that with your finger, you run out of fingers, you start bleeding all over. This tool can save you on that. So I know they work decently, but let's try it out right here and see if it works today and how well it works. So I'm just using some ordinary Alex fast dry latex with silicone in it. Don't want to use pure silicone on anything you're going to paint. Okay, so we'll run a bead of caulk right up through here, and that should be a decent little bead, and then we'll see about smoothing this out. Now when I do this with my finger, I wet it, so I'm going to wet this thing and start it out that way. Now the angle you hold it determines how much it wipes off, so we'll go a little steeper. Okay, I actually didn't put enough caulking in there for this thing, so let's put a little more. And do that again. So I finished off that little spot there with my finger because it didn't have quite enough, but overall I'd say that actually works. So if you struggle with caulking, can't get a nice bead, try one of these. I'll put a link to it in the description. So let me show you a close-up of what that looks like. So hey, I hope that helped you out, and if you like these kind of videos, be sure and click the subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and click the bell icon. And even more importantly, hit that like button. That makes YouTube show our video to a lot more people if you just click that like button. And otherwise, I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video, so take care everybody. We'll see you then.